Hey everyone. In this demo, I am going to show you how you can manage your Salesforce account through natural language using Icarus, which is the Veliptix on-chain AI chatbot. So let's get right into it. I am going to open up my chatbot, which is this. And the first thing that I have to do is I have to register my Salesforce applet as an MCP server. So I have already deployed my applet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy its contract ID and I'm going to register this. So this will allow the agent to call into certain functions or tools that will cater to my prompts that I'm going to give it right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to ask it certain questions now. So let's start with, let's say, can you show me the schema of the, let's say the account section. Salesforce. So you'll notice what it does. It executes a tool call, which is basically a function call. And that function it has chosen based on whichever function it feels is the most suitable to answer our query. And it has listed me all the fields, which is basically the schema of the account. And yeah, it seems correct to me. Yeah, it has listed me almost everything. Um, yeah. So let's just ask it a bit more uh, comprehensive things. Let's say let you list all the. Let's say I want to see all the items in my account section. Okay. So now the tool that it calls is execute SQL query. So it will run a query uh, to show me all the accounts. Uh, it has got a lot of accounts, so it has only showing some of the examples, but let's just call it to show me all it. For all the entries. So yeah, now it will show me the exhaustive list of what it got from the tool call. It gives me all the details basically. And you can notice that we are doing it just with the help of some simple natural language prompts. We don't have to know the exact syntactical sugar or the actual what happens behind the scene. That all has been configured through the MCP server. And yeah, this makes it very easy for anyone to come and make these queries and get the details. We'll also see some more slightly complicated actions that we can also do. But this is the first step and it has listed me all the items. Let's see. Yeah, it has listed me all the unique items, I would say. And let's see if these are matching with all the accounts that we have, which is demo account by Abraham. Yeah, looks good to me. I have everything. Yeah, looks right. So let me just ask it now. Can you add a new entry? Let's give it a name called whatever. Let's give it some dummy details. So it will now call the create tool, and it has successfully added this, and it has got a account ID for it as well. So let's see if it has been able to do that. Yeah, I can see test MCP here. That means just with the help of a couple of prompts, we are able to modify our database in the Salesforce, and it has filled in some dummy details, which is fine. We can update it also. Let's actually try and do that. So you update. Let's say we want to. Let's say we want to update the website of test MCP. The prompts have to be engineered in a very clear manner. So I'm just trying to do that. Let's say let's just try to update this. So yeah, it has actually updated the website as well. So this is what I wanted to show you. Just with the help of few natural language prompts, we are able to manage our entire Salesforce account, and this can be scaled to whatever ways you want. You can actually execute whatever query and however you want to manage your data. Um, Now let me walk you through the tools that we have for the Salesforce MCP server. So first we have the config, um, which defines all the credentials that I need for connecting to the Salesforce server. And the tools are basically create, read, update, delete, uh, all four of which do exactly what they sound like doing. They take the what kind of object you want to mutate, and the list of fields that you want to mutate and their corresponding values. And also there is execute SOQL query. You might have seen that popping up a couple of times. So this executes any complex query that you need to run on your Salesforce server. And get object metadata is used for retrieving the schema of a particular object name. So these are the tools that the LLM uses for the Salesforce MCP server. Uh, Now, if I go to my pod and if I go to transactions, you can see I also have access to the complete audit log of everything that is happening on my platform. So you can see this was the last query that was executed by the LLM. So I have a complete traceability of whatever has been going on with my MCP server. So this is very critical for debugging, for error detection, and for accountability in general. So I also have anonymized transactions, which mean I can hide publicly the critical data and at the same time keeping the data verifiable. So these are the features that come out of the box in the whale chain. And yeah, this was just all about the demo for the Salesforce MCP server. Thanks.